Hey guys, Commando Smithy here, and today I'm showing you how to make a Halo rocket launcher. And of course this one is actually for the humans. Actually, for most ones you can actually tell that there's a difference. Like, for the Covenant they have a couple translucent pieces. And yeah, I don't know. Anyway, so I'm going to show you how to make this beauty. And I will admit, I feel like I did pretty good on this. Okay? So, let me show you the pieces you'll need. Well, it's harder. I mean, it's super easy, but it's harder than the other ones, at least. It's actually a couple more, 2 or 3 more pieces. Okay, so you'll need this piece. All these, like, rocket/camera pieces. There we go. Got that. Oh, right there. There. One of these pieces for cone/missile top pieces. Need 2 of those. Okay. Also need 2 black Lego sets. Okay. Now let's begin. First, get your rocket launcher. And for the hole that's not like on to the right, for this one, the one right here, place one of these cone shapes. So this is your first part. Next, stack your 2 studs on top of one another. Boom. Then stack on top of them the other cone shape piece, and then voila, you have this. Next, connect this scope right here and this, and then voila, you have your rocket launcher. Okay, so now let's see how it looks with first the Elite Auger guy. Okay. Okay, so that's how it looks with this guy. Yeah, actually, he may still look really small, but now let's look at who's actually really supposed to have it. Okay, and here we go. Oh. So, boom. Got a cool... Actually, let me put on his other side of his head. This one. This one looks a lot more serious. Okay. And it is very... I mean, it's a perfect scale to me. It's actually a really good scale. I mean, for one of those rocket launchers, it is a pretty amazing scale. And yeah. So, there we go. So, thanks for watching, guys. This was actually one of my newest things I made. It's pretty cool. Tell me what else you guys want to see. Please comment, guys. Start commenting. And yeah, tell me what you guys want to see. Tell me what you guys don't want to see. I probably might do things you might not want to see. And let's see. I'll also do I might do 2 Lego interviews. And yeah, so thanks again, guys, for watching, and please rate, comment, subscribe, and comment, or yeah, really comment. And yeah, thanks, guys. I'll see you guys later.